Today we're talking about the mutable signs. So I have two sets of videos already on the cardinal signs and the fixed signs. So if you're looking for those signs, you can go and check those videos out. But today is all about these signs right here, which are known as the mutable signs in the world of zodiacs. To understand the mutable signs, you first have to understand why their position is meaningful. So the cardinal signs happen at the beginning of the season. All of these signs are happening right as the season is changing. All of these signs are happening right in the middle of the season. And by season, I mean the weather, spring, summer, fall, winter. So the mutable signs come at the end of each season. Because of their positioning in nature, the mutable signs are going to be the ones who question the plan. So cardinals comes up with the plan, fixed delivers on the plan, and mutable is asking, why do we need this plan? They are the philosophers of the zodiac. They are the creatives of the zodiac. I mean, these souls have literally seen it all from start to finish because they've lived through the entire season. They've seen the beginning, the middle, and they're right at the end. Especially Pisces, they have literally seen it all. Nothing surprises these people. Because they are at the end of the season, these people inherently know that change is coming. So all they do is reflect on what has transpired from the beginning of the season all the way to the end. And they also prepare themselves mentally for the transition that is naturally coming next, for the next season. So because of the positioning in terms of their relationship with nature, these people tend to be open-minded. They have lots of opinions, lots of ideas, but they're very slow to make decisions. And even when they do make decisions, if they get access to new information that contradicts the decision that they've made, they will quickly change course. They have no problem with change. They tend to be laid back, easygoing, super open-minded, fun, a lot of fun, very chilled out, critical thinkers. They love exploring different ways of doing things. I think it's important also to note that all the mutable signs are ruled by two planets, Mercury and Jupiter. So that makes them especially interesting. So as a group, they're all about growth, expansion, mental expansion through travel, through experiences, just basically going deeper and searching for the truth. Because of this, they tend to be super flexible and adaptable. Geminis are smart, funny, with a quick wit and charm. They're also very creative. Virgos are patient, analytical, and excellent at sorting out details. Sagittarius are provocative, adventurous, and soulful. And Pisces have the biggest heart. They're intuitive, they're spiritual, and they're deeply connected to humanity.